Only 1% can solve this. How many players are on the field per team? Nine. What is the object hit by the bat? Ball. How many bases are there? Four. What shape is a baseball field? Diamond. What is a home run? Ball out of park. How many strikes make an out? Three. Which player throws the ball? Pitcher. What does MLB stand for? Major League Baseball. How many innings in a game? Nine. What is first base made of? Rubber. Who catches the pitched ball? Catcher. What is a foul ball? Ball outside lines. Which team won 2023 World Series? Texas Rangers. What color is a baseball? White. What is used to hit the ball? Bat. What happens after 4 balls? Walk. Which position is near second base? Shortstop. What does RBI mean? Run batted in. Which league is older? MLB. What is a double play? 2 outs. What protects the catcher? All of these. What is a bunt? Soft hit. What is the strike zone? Pitch area. What is the World Series trophy called? Commissioner's Trophy. Which country invented baseball? USA. What is an inning? One turn per team. What glove is worn by fielders? Catching glove. What happens after 3 outs? Switch sides. What is an outfield? Far field area. What is a walk-off win? Home team wins last. What is used to signal calls? Hand signals. What does ERA measure? Pitching. Which base is last? Home. What is spring training? Practice season. What is a stolen base? Advance without hit. Who enforces rules? Umpire. What is a grand slam? Four-run homer. Which team is famous for Yankees? New York. What is a dugout? Team bench. What does DH mean? Designated hitter. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.